Today I'm going to be showing you the Renaissance Hotel in Bangkok. I'm going to be showing you the different types of rooms available, the bar, the restaurants, the fitness area, the lounge and more. Let's dive in. The Renaissance Hotel is a 5-star hotel located just 3 minutes walk from the nearest BTS station Chip Long. The hotel features 3 restaurants and a bar, club lounge, full wellness centre including fitness centre, spa and swimming pool, and 327 rooms and suites spread over 33 floors. The hotel has a nice artistic design. Let's check in.
Can I ask from your passport?
Okay.
And how many persons stay with you?
Just me.
Just one.
Me and my luggage.
My name is Patty. And as you are a Titanium Elite member, we also have the welcome gift for you. For the welcome gift, you can choose for food and beverage or point. Your room is 210A.
Okay.
It's located on 21st floor.
Thank you.
And I see that your booking is not including with the breakfast, but because of you are a Titanium Elite member, we so appreciate that. And for the breakfast for you, we're located on 21st floor.
Club lounge.
At the club lounge, that's it. And for the club lounge, we will have the breakfast, high tea, evening cocktail for you. For the breakfast, we'll start from 6 o'clock until 10:30. And for the high tea, we'll start from 2:30 until 4. That's it. And for the evening cocktail, we start from 5:30 until 7:30. And for your room, you will got a complimentary for the laundry for 2 pieces.
2 pieces?
Yes, that's right. Right now we appreciate with that and we extra for you for 2 pieces per day.
Thank you. On
That's
my
it.
app it said 1 piece. So.
And because if you want to send the laundry, you can send right now, and it's gonna be returned to you around 5 p.m. today. And for the complimentary local call and complimentary black and white painting, and also complimentary 2-hour meeting room. And if you want to use the meeting room or the black and white painting, you can contact with the club lounge. They will help you. Okay, and this is for you. And for the facility inside our hotel, for the swimming pool, fitness, sauna, spa located on PL floor. Pool level.
Oh, okay.
That's it. And for the spa, if you would like to use the spa, you can call to number 0 to do in advance because we always fully booking. And for the restaurant, we have 3 restaurants. The first one is Phở restaurant, located on 3rd floor. It is a Chinese restaurant, and the next one is the La Tavola restaurant, located on the 3rd floor also. And for
what type is that?
It is an Italian restaurant. Yes, and for the last one, it is the Favor restaurant. Normally, the breakfast will located on this floor, but because of your room is not including.
That's
if you
fine,
go
I
to the
understand.
you go to the M floor, it's gonna have the extra
Charge,
charge. Yes, and for the but we also have the lunch and dinner also.
Okay.
Yes,
all day. All day
for,
dining.
It's not full day that much. It will be have the period and period. For the dinner,
understand.
yes, we also have the buffet. For the buffet every Tuesday until Sunday. It will start from 6 p.m. until 10:30. And for the room service, we will open 24 hours. If you have any question, just call to number 0 and we will help you. For the room service, order the room service also. Thank you so much. This one is just in case you would like to read it. Thank you so much.
As an elite Titanium member, I was hoping to get an upgrade to a suite. However, I've been given a club room, which is exactly the same size as a standard king room at 409 square feet. That's a rather disappointing start. The suites start at 495 square feet and feature a nice bathroom. There is also a 3-bedroom presidential suite with separate living room and lounge, and again a nice bathroom. Let's check out my room. As mentioned before, this is room 2108 on the 21st floor. This is a club room which is the same size as a standard room, measuring in at 409 square feet. Immediately on your left as you enter is your cupboard with your safe, bathrobe, slippers and ironing board, followed by a luggage bench, and to the right is your bathroom. The bathroom is a good size and it has a bathtub. I like the large mirror and large sink. There's plenty of space around to put your own bits and pieces, and the hotel provides you with towels and amenities tucked away in this drawer on the right hand side. To the far right is your toilet, and in between is your shower cubicle, which has both a shower head and rain shower. As you step out of the bathroom, immediately to your right is your minibar area. It's nice to see that the minibars are now fully stocked, unlike during the pandemic. As an elite member, I received a welcome amenity, however this was not my usual fresh coconut. Your fridge is located at the very bottom, and just above are two drawers. The drawer on the right contains your cups, teas and coffees, and the drawer on the left contains your glasses. There is a large mirror next to your minibar, followed by your TV, which is a 42-inch LCD TV. There is a king-size bed with two lamps on each side, however they are different sizes, and you have universal power plugs and charging ports on both sides of the bed, which is nice. The bed was very comfortable and had a nice soft headboard. There is a sofa in the corner for you to sit and read or chill out, and there is a work table with again sockets for you to plug and charge your items. The room comes with a nice city view, being on the 21st floor. I'll now go and head to the lounge before showing you the rest of the hotel. The lounge is also located on the 21st floor and is accessed via your keycard. You can grab hot drinks, cold drinks and snacks throughout the day. The lounge manager briefed her team and explained I'm 99% blind, and asked two members of staff to dedicate themselves in looking after me. That was very thoughtful.
Good morning.
Good morning. Would you like green tea? สวัสดีค่ะ Good morning. How are you today? Would you like some drink?
We'll now have a look at the bar and restaurants in the hotel, starting with our bar. During the day, the bar is quiet and is a nice place to relax and maybe watch some football. In the evening, the bar changes and becomes more active. Flavors is the main restaurant of the hotel that serves breakfast, brunch, lunch and dinner. The theme is international, but we'll come back later and have a look at breakfast. La Tavola is an Italian restaurant which is normally open for lunch and dinner, but is currently under renovation. Fei Ya is the hotel's Chinese restaurant and is open for lunch and dinner. In the description below, I've put links to all the websites for all three restaurants. Also located on the ground floor is a clothes shop and gift shop. Afternoon tea is served between 2:30 and 4 p.m. in the afternoon. The spread includes cakes and cookies, open sandwiches and snacks, fruit and dried fruit, as well as hot and cold drinks. The chef made me a huge, delicious vegetable sandwich, which I'm very grateful for. Thank you. The swimming pool is indoors, there is no outdoor pool, and this might be the first time I've come across this at a Marriott property in Thailand. There is plenty of seating and a pool bar that serves both food and drink. The spa is open from 10 a.m. till 10 p.m. with 7 treatment rooms and offering a range of services. There will be a QR code in just a moment that you can scan for more details. The gym is on the larger side for a city centre hotel and has plenty of machines for both exercise and weights. You can book yourself a yoga class, fitness class or a personal trainer subject to availability. It's now time to head back to the lounge for evening cocktails. There are a variety of dishes, both hot and cold, salads, fruits and desserts. This is not a full dinner service, it's more like canapes or light bites. I found this was enough to satisfy my hunger in the evenings, but if you are still hungry, you can either order room service, eat in one of the restaurants in the hotel, or order a grab or venture out. The evening cocktails operates between 5:30 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. The service was great and the chef prepared a special meal for me.
Good evening, Mr. Yang. My name is Chef Yam. I'm feel very good to welcome you with the appetizer. We prepared the mango nam dok mai, and Vietnamese fresh spring roll. And the dressing we use tamarind sauce to make a contrast with the flavor. So I hope you enjoy with the food that we present. If you want anything that I can assist you, please we will be welcome to hear that. Thank you.
We'll now head back to Flavors, the main restaurant, and have a look at breakfast. Breakfast is served between 6 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. There is plenty of choice to choose from. Cuisines include Western, Chinese, Thai, and international. Just a quick reminder, if you are an elite member like me and booked a room only, then breakfast is not automatically included at Flavors. If you choose to have breakfast at Flavors, this will be billed separately to your room. Elite members usually have their breakfast complimentary at the club lounge on the 21st floor. As you can see, there is a wide selection. We'll now have a look at the offering at the club lounge.
Good morning. Welcome to Club Lounge. How are you?
What a fantastic morning welcome. That kind of sums up the staff at this hotel. They're very friendly, sweet, considerate and caring. I really enjoyed chatting to them and spending time in the lounge. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me in the channel. If you don't know, I'm 99% blind and I do all my own filming and editing. I make videos on flights and hotels, and if you like that, please subscribe for more videos. Next week, I'll be showing you a flight I took with Gulf Air in their business class or Falcon Gold. So, see you then.